Welcome to Ukwenza VR. Today, we will virtually visit a small-scale farm. Look up, down, and side to side while viewing the video. Today, we visit Mr. Mwangi's small-scale farm in Muranga County. Muranga County is situated in central Kenya and is a highland area with a high potential for agriculture. Agriculture is a predominant economic activity in the county, with 80% of the population relying on it for sustenance. The main agricultural products are coffee, tea, milk, fish, honey, maize, and beans. Kenya's agriculture is predominantly small-scale farming and is carried out on farms averaging 1/4 to 7 acres. Small-scale farms account for over 70% of agricultural production and meet about 75% of the national food demand. Mr. Mwangi makes most of his income from dairy and tea farming. Kenya exports dairy products to East and Central Africa, European Union, and the Middle East. Kenya has developed standards for all dairy products produced within the EAC and COMESA regions. Tea is also a major cash crop in Kenya. Kenyan tea has been the leading major foreign exchange earner for the country. Most tea produced in Kenya is black tea. Of all tea produced in Kenya, small-scale farmers produce over 60%, while the rest is produced by large-scale producers.